Robinhood Error Code 2001 signifies that your account has been restricted. This means you might be unable to trade, deposit, or withdraw funds. It's essentially a hard restriction that prevents normal account activity. This is often triggered by compliance issues, regulatory concerns, or financial discrepancies within your account. For example, you might see an error message like this on the app, indicating your account is restricted from certain actions. This is often triggered by compliance issues, regulatory concerns, or financial discrepancies within your account. We'll break down the common causes and how to address them. Several factors can lead to Error 2001. The most frequent reasons include unpaid margin loans, which occur when users borrow money from Robinhood for trades, negative account balances due to fees, taxes, or losses, and suspected regulatory violations, such as insider trading. Robinhood, as a FINRA-regulated broker, must adhere to SEC rules, which can trigger restrictions if suspicious activity is detected. Platform migrations or account verifications related to regulatory changes, like GDPR-like laws, can also cause temporary restrictions. If you encounter Error 2001, the first step is to remain calm and avoid making further trades. This helps prevent any additional complications with your account. Immediately contact Robinhood support through the app or website. They can provide specific guidance for your account restriction. Document everything related to the error, including the exact message, date, and time it occurred. This information will be helpful when contacting support. Prepare to verify your identity and gather relevant financial information, such as account statements or transaction history. This will speed up the resolution process. Be polite and patient with the support staff. They are trained to assist and resolve account restrictions effectively. If the restriction is due to an unpaid margin loan, your priority is to deposit funds to cover the outstanding balance. Check your account details to understand the exact amount owed. If the restriction is caused by a negative account balance, identify the source of the negative balance, such as fees or taxes, and deposit the necessary funds to bring your account to a positive balance. Robinhood's updated app as of April 2026 provides clearer error messages and directs users to resolution steps, specifically for debt repayment. If the restriction is due to a regulatory hold, Robinhood support will guide you through the necessary steps. This often involves providing additional documentation to verify your trading activity or address any concerns raised by regulatory bodies like the SEC. Be prepared to answer questions about your trading strategies, sources of funds, and relationship to any companies you've traded shares in. Cooperating fully with Robinhood and providing accurate information is crucial for resolving the hold. Prevention starts with maintaining a positive account balance. Avoid negative balances from fees or losses, as this triggers automated restrictions. Avoid over-leveraging your trades. Margin trading amplifies gains, but also losses, increasing restriction risk if positions turn negative. Understand margin trading risks. A small price drop can wipe out your equity, leading to margin calls and restrictions. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Spread investments across assets to avoid large losses from single positions. Avoid unusually large or frequent trades that could raise regulatory red flags and lead to account holds. Stay informed about Robinhood's policies and regulatory changes that may affect your account to avoid unexpected restrictions. The duration of an Error 2001 restriction varies depending on the cause and the complexity of the issue. Restrictions can last from a few days to several months. Simple issues like unpaid margin debts might be resolved quickly after depositing funds. Regulatory holds, however, can take longer as they require thorough investigation. Consistently communicating with Robinhood support and promptly providing any requested information can help expedite the resolution process. If you're struggling to resolve Error 2001, consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor. They can help you understand your financial situation and develop a plan to address any underlying issues that led to the restriction. You can also explore resources from FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, for investor education and dispute resolution options. Remember, understanding your rights as an investor is crucial. These organizations provide educational materials and support to help you navigate trading challenges and resolve account issues effectively.